Hi everyone! Did you know that your Slovak heritage could be your ticket to an EU passport? If your parents, grandparents, or even great-grandparents were born in Slovakia, you might be eligible. Thanks to a major law change in April 2022, the process is now significantly simpler for Australians. You can now claim citizenship up to the third generation.
Why bother? A Slovak passport means you're an EU citizen. You gain the right to live, work, and study in any of the 27 EU countries, plus easier travel and access to European healthcare.
Step 1 is proving your bloodline. You'll need birth and marriage certificates for yourself and your ancestors. If you don't have their Slovak records, don't worry. If you know their place of birth, we can help you find them in Slovak archives. Australian documents need a legalization to be valid in Slovakia. After that, they must be translated by a Slovak court translator. Our partners can handle both for you.
You'll submit 2 applications, one for permanent residence and one for citizenship. This is done in person in Australia or directly in Slovakia. The best part? No Slovak language test is required.
Many ask, how far back can I go? The answer is your great-grandparents. As long as they were Czechoslovak citizens born in present-day Slovakia, you have a claim. The path to your European future starts with your roots. If you're ready to reclaim your heritage and get your EU passport, contact us today for a consultation. We'll handle the bureaucracy so you don't have to.